Hey guys! Today we're talking about one of the easiest plants you can ever grow, the cast iron plant. Its real name is Aspidistra elatior, but honestly, cast iron says it all. This plant is super tough and can survive in conditions where most plants would struggle. So if you're a beginner, or you just forget to water your plants sometimes, this one is perfect. Let's start with light. The cast iron plant loves low light. It actually prefers shade or indirect light, so it's great for darker rooms or corners. Direct sun? Not really. It can burn the leaves. Now watering. This is where many people make mistakes. You don't need to water it often. Let the soil dry out a bit between waterings. Overwatering is the biggest danger here. As for soil, just use regular indoor plant soil with good drainage. Nothing fancy. Temperature-wise, it's also very forgiving. Normal room temperature is totally fine. Let's talk about growth. This plant grows slowly. So don't expect fast results, but that's also why it's so easy to maintain. Now, benefits. It's a great decorative plant, very elegant and minimal. It can tolerate low light and poor conditions, so it's perfect for offices or busy homes. And it helps create a calm, green atmosphere. Any downsides? Not many. It grows slowly, so if you want a big plant fast, this might not be your choice. Also, overwatering can damage it quickly. Good news, the cast iron plant is generally considered non-toxic to pets. But still, it's always better to keep plants out of reach. So overall, if you want a low-maintenance, stylish, and almost indestructible plant, this is a great option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant tips.